prepared. So today I'm going to make my own pizza. I always believe that during this pandemic era, it's always more safe staying home than dining outside. So today I'm going to share with you my own recipe. First of all, I have to declare that I'm not a super professional chef from any big restaurant or hotel, but I'm just going to share my very simple way of making my own pizza. So let's get started, and I'm gonna upload this video on my blog to kind of like record every moment of my life and share my life to everyone. So let's go. Alright, let me explain what we need. This is our ingredient. First, flour 250 gram, salt 2 gram, warm water 175 gram, yeast 1 gram, and olive oil 12 gram. So let's get started. That is the flour I already prepared. And then just pull it into the bowl. And then next is 2 grams of salt. Usually, I don't really measure to very precise 2 grams. I usually just put it like randomly, depending on my mood. When you think it's done, then it's done. Then warm water 175. So I already prepared this and this, an empty glass. So then just turn on the machine. Okay, the scale now shows 0 gram. Then remember to put it 175 gram. Oops, almost there. A bit more, but it's fine. Just a little bit. Pour it into the bowl. And turn off the scale. Next is 1 gram of yeast. A little bit of yeast. I usually randomly put it. I don't really measure it to very precise. So this is now a very professional version, just like I say. And then put olive oil 12 gram. So when it comes to oil, I don't really love oil. I know that we really need it, but diet always comes with my first priority. If I would like to keep in a very good slim condition, oil is really important and is a very big factor. So I'll just like randomly press it. It's like definitely not 12 gram. Alright, done. I don't like oil, so yeah, that's my first step of making dough. Then now, I'll just put it into the blender and everything is done. You just need to like press the button on the blender and then you can just leave and take a rest. That's my first step, and let's go to next step later. Alright, this is my dough after proofing, and now it's time to liberally sprinkle your surface with flour. Just put as much as you like. And then guess what? Roll it out. After you finish rolling the dough, I'll put the dough inside the pan. Be really quick. Put it inside. It's a little bit too big, to be honest. Oops, what should I do now? I'll cut it out. And then what I need to do now is pinch the edge. Let's see. And what I need to do now is use a fork to poke it. To poke some hole here. around, poking the hole. Add some olive oil on the top, and then brush it. What I like to do is make a red pizza. So just put some pizza sauce on the top. Now my favorite part is add my favorite ingredient. I really love Taiwanese sausage, so I put a lot of Taiwanese sausage here. And then some veggie. Even though veggie is not mandatory here, but a good balanced diet can live without grain. And also grain actually make my pizza more colorful. And then a little bit of basil. Just basil. Basil can add some flavor to my pizza. It's also not mandatory. I also cut some little tomatoes and add to my pizza. I'm really looking forward to what my pizza will be like after baking it. The last step is mozzarella cheese. Hello everyone! So now I pretty much finished everything, every step making my pizza, and I'm so exhausted now. I just want to lay on the sofa. I don't want to do anything. Well, but I still have to show you guys. My pizza now is in the oven, so come with me and take a look. So here is the pizza. All the cheese is melted. Me trying the first slice of the pizza. It tastes so good, especially the Taiwanese sausage. I love Taiwanese sausage so much. Which combine the Western cuisine and Chinese cuisine. I really love them. It tastes so good.